Just get it. None of that pussy foo-foo clutch shit. Like a mini bike guy. Well, guys, here's your little JKS 50. I mean, that looks a lot like a daggum BBR perimeter frame right there.
She's lightweight.
She's light. Comes stock with the FMF sticker and the service stickers.
And I can sit flat-footed on it.
Heck yeah, dude. He ain't even got to, like, he could ride that on some pretty rough terrain.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, it's a KTM 50 knockoff. A lot of people think it's the race bike. It's not, man. This is air-cooled. This is like your 50 mini adventure knockoff. People think that it's the SX knockoff, but it's not.
Nope. It rides like it though, maybe.
Like a mini adventure. We'll see.
Find out.
We're gonna find out. Starts easy, boys. A little high stall on it. Now we went ahead and set up the suspension for Blake, and we got the ride height adjusted. So his legs are longer today.
I'm happy now. Finally a bike that I can ride.
We'll see. We're gonna see. It don't like that first takeoff, but it goes after that. Oh, he let out. He let out. Hey, jump the driveway.
Huh?
Jump the driveway.
All right.
Come on, let's. There you go. That way they can see that ground coming. Over here, get your speed coming down and then turn into it.
Oh no, I got plenty of speed right
No, no, you didn't. No. Let's put some heat on it, boys. You should see that rear suspension working.
Oh, yeah.
Like that whole swing arm's just every bump you hit. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Once you already got her locked out, she'll move, huh?
Yeah, dude, she's a beast.
So to be honest, we've had a few 50 mini adventures and they don't run like that.
No.
They do not run like that.
No.
This is like a brand new off the floor with probably better jetting and a few other little upgrades over the 30 years.
Yeah, but she'll scoot.
Give that out of 10.
Say solid 9.
For a kid's bike? Okay, and then next question. What if this bike is only 1,600 and the KTM's 32?
I'm getting this all day.
There you go.
Are you kidding me? Easier to work on too, probably. Parts are cheaper.
And it's only a couple seasons. I mean, your kid's gonna get big really fast.
Actually, the maintenance is even less than a KTM.
Yep. And them kids get big quick, so you're looking at a season out of it, tops.
Yep.
It's a good one to advance
You
from.
get to keep it for yourself.
Yeah. 32, you said?
42.
42. And it's set on 0, huh? Current average and max is on there?
Yep.
Nice. All right, boys. If you can even start it again, he burnt the rings right out of her. Careful on the driveway. Don't try and top her out on the driveway. You'd be sorry. Let's see if we can hear it when he gets on the road. That's about 20 mile an hour.
I'm gonna say 27 miles per hour.
How fast did it go? It got there quick.
Yeah.
I bet you could have stretched it out. What is it?
27 miles per hour.
27. There you go. Well, that ain't bad. And Blake didn't want to blow it up, to be fair. He wasn't riding it like he stole it
But
or
I'm
something.
still going, man. It was.
But you felt it quit. You felt it quit
Oh,
pulling.
yeah.
I can ride wheelies all day. Do one footer.